Hello, Harris, the best fit on the planet. Today, I'm going to show you to do quite a few things. So, full barbering calendar system, which where they can select what haircut they want, for what price, which barber they want, and that's filtered on availability as well. So this barber is available for 5 days, this barber has 7 days, etc, etc. Then we're going to go to super cool automation. We're boosting Google reviews, boosting core connects and everything, so we're going through that as well. Then you also can have access to my snapshot for the barbering. If you use the first link in the description, get 30-day free trial with Highlevel and all these benefits here. You can jump on one-on-one Zoom calls with me personally, have a chat with me, one-on-one sales scripts, my snapshots, loads of stuff there. Or you can like the video, comment done. I'll send you a private link to a calendar where you can book a one-on-one call with me for free on Zoom and we can have a chat. So I'm doing this all in this one video. I'm not selling a course, nothing like that. Everything I'm doing is for free. So yeah, please watch the video and let's get right in. Alright, first thing we need to do is create the barbers in the sub account. So go to your sub account, go to settings, go to my staff and press add user. So let's add these barbers in. So it'd be cool to actually add the images in. I'll show you later why. Let's add this one in and just call him barber1 and put their real names in. This is an example I'm just showing you guys, but put their real email and phone number in. Then in availability, we'll let this guy can work 5 days a week, and then our second barber can work 7 days a week, just to show you how it all works. Okay, so that's barber 1 done. Now let's add barber 2 in. So let's go here and add barber 2. So let's name this guy barber 2 for now. Let's go to his availability. He can work all days of the week. Now we're gonna put this back. Okay, good, cool. So look, we got our barbers here. Now let's create the calendars with the payments involved and everything like that. So let's go to calendars. Now go to groups. Now we need to go create a group. Okay, let's call this barbering services. Add a description, stuff like that. Just call it barbering 5, whatever. Cool. So we've got this one, barbering services, all good. So now let's create 2 calendars. You can create more if they've got more services. I'm just going to do this for example's sake. So we're going to do one for skin fade, one for normal haircut. So that's what we're going to name the calendars. We're not going to use any of these 4. We're going to go down to service booking. Name this one skin fade, which is a type of haircut. Let's add both barbers because they both can do it. And just call this skin fade, blah, blah, blah. And keep the timings the way we had it, because one of the barbers can do all 7 days. Let's go to advanced settings. So we can add the logo. We could put skin fade here, make it look nice. Add a description, make it look nice. Let's add it to the group barbering services. Okay, so they're barber 1, barber 2. And then in forms and payment, this is where we can accept the payment. And let's say a skin fade cost £20. Okay, so make that live. And then availability, just double check in. The bottom here, so you just want these two to always kind of be the same, and the date range, how many days they can book in advance. Let's say 14 days, and let's save that up. So skin fade done. Now let's do normal haircut. So let's do the same thing. Okay, so that's one of them. So that's skin fade done. Let's go and do another one, which was the normal haircut. So this is just a normal haircut. Both barbers can do it. Okay, so normal whatever, let's say that's 30 minutes, that's fine. Again, keep that max availability, whatever's possible for them, and go to advanced. Okay, add the logo in of a normal haircut, make it look nice. Add a description. Let's add them to barbering services. Here's both our barbers. Okay, so this one's just 30-minute sessions. Payments, this one can be £10. This is in USD. Change it to pounds, whatever currency you're in. You can add them. You can change the notifications if you want. You can do automations for it. I'm gonna show you how we can do a cool automation for this in a second. But yeah, you can disable these if you want to do automations. If not, keep that. Customizations. So we can add the background black and keep this. For example, we could do like a nice yellow color maybe. Okay, so let's press save. I'm gonna go back and customize the other one as well. Sorry, one last thing to do. Let's add some images in because it makes it look much better on the group calendar. So to go to our skin fade calendar, let's go to edit. Now here we could put the logo of the business. Okay, so I just put the logo from Canva in. Now what you want to do is then you want to go to customizations, add a cover image. Let's add the skin fade one right here. Okay, press save. Now let's go to our normal haircut calendar. Let's go to customizations. Let's add our normal haircut in here and press save. Now let's have a look at how it looks like in the group setting. Okay, Let's do that now. Okay, so let's go to groups. Let's go to barbering services. Let's go to share. Let's go to permanent link. And let's open a new tab and paste it in. And let's have a look. Here we are. So barbering services, skin fade 20, normal hair. Then when we click it, you can pick what barber you want. And they both have different availability. So let's have a look. Barber 1 has Monday to Friday. Barber 2 has all 7 days. Okay, you come in, pick your time, and then you've got your payment options here. Blah blah blah. Do that, book it in, etc. Now let's go to the automations. Okay, so now let's go to automations, and we can use a high-level template automation. Okay, so let's go to create workflow and select recipe. Then go to Fast 5 Lite, which is right here. First thing, always name your workflow. So let's name it barber workflow. Okay, so this is the automation. It's quite big, and I'm gonna do some cool things. So some cool things I'm gonna do is, if someone the first time ever coming would send a Google review link, and if they come again, we won't keep spamming them with a Google review link. Only the first time ever they'll get it, so that we maximize Google reviews, boost them on Google, etc. Okay, so first, this is wrong. We don't want it to be trigger when Facebook, anything like that. We want it to be when customer books appointment. So customer books appointment in calendar group, barbering services. Okay, you can niche it down to a calendar if that one does not work as well. Now, when someone books onto one of these calendars, what we want to do is we want to send an internal notification to the business owner saying via lead connector to the business owner saying this person is booked at this time. So we want to do a notification, and contact name has booked a haircut. Okay, then we can in here booked a haircut at appointment start date and time. Contact user assigned to the contact. Press save. So now we're just telling the business owner this person has booked at this time. Then we can have SMS. Then we can say, hey, John, it's faded. Thank you for booking our haircut on appointment start date and time. Okay. Then what we want to do is wait till 15 minutes before the appointment. So wait until before 15 minutes before. And we want to ask them, are you going to come or not? So we're going to do send them an SMS and say, hey, contact, are you able to make it to our haircut in 15 minutes? Okay, so we're asking them a question. Now what we'll do is we're going to wait for a reply for 5 minutes. So what I've done is changed it to 5 minutes. You will see 2 minutes. So let's wait for 5 minutes for them to reply. Yes, I'm coming. No, I'm not coming. Okay, so then it's here, did the contact reply? We're waiting for 5 minutes for them to reply. If they don't reply, they come down here. If they do reply, they come down here. So let's say they do reply. They replied. Now we want to wait. Did they reply positively saying, yes, I am coming, or negatively, no, I'm not coming? So if they do reply yes positively, then it's all good. They're going to come. So then what we want to do is send them a Google review link. So let's get rid of this and let's wait till after the haircut happened. So let's come here, type in wait. Then we want to come here to wait before or after event start time or appointment time. Then let's go to after, let's say like 4 hours after the appointment or haircut. So wait 4 hours after. Boom. Wait 4 hours after. And then this is going to be, I'm going to do this backwards now, but follow along. Then we're going to send a review request, a Google review. So make sure you have, on Launchpad, you have Google My Business linked. Okay. So SMS. So once they've waited 4 hours after the point, we're sending a Google review request. After, we're going to tag them. And we can tag them as a haircut customer. Okay. So let's tag them as a haircut customer. So now what we want to do, just so they're not always repeatedly sent this Google review request, we want to filter them if they're tagged or not. So what the idea is, if they are tagged, we're not going to send them because the only way they've been tagged is after they've been sent. Does that make sense? So if they haven't been tagged, that means they're new. If they have been tagged, means they've been through this automation before, and we don't want to send them the review request again. So let's do an if else and say they are tagged. And what you do is contact details. You want to go to tags, includes haircut customer, then add a branch, not tagged, contact details, tags. You can put here is empty, to be honest, because they won't be tagged. But if they are tagged other places in your automation, then change it to does not include haircut customer. So okay, So here we are. So if they are tagged, now this is wrong. So let's copy this, all actions, copy it there and delete it from here. Okay. So if they are tagged, that means we're not going to do anything. They're fine. If they're not tagged, that's when we send them the Google review request. Okay, so just to replay what's happened is we're sending them an SMS saying, are you coming in 15 minutes? We'll wait 5 minutes for them to reply. If they do reply, and they reply positively saying, yes, I am coming, we wait for 4 hours after the haircut because they're going to go to the haircut. And then if they are tagged, nothing's going to happen. But if this is first time coming through this automation, they're not going to be tagged. So that's when we send them the Google review link. And then of course we tag them. So if they come back again, they go down this one here. Okay. Now let's say if they're saying, I'm not coming. So then you can send them an SMS saying, here's a link to rebook. Fine. Okay. But then if they don't reply, what you can do is in this automation, you can call connect. You can connect the barber and the customer. So you'll come here, get rid of all this, or make it very short, and then connect the barber and the customer together. Because we would have collected their phone number in the calendar. You can get rid of all of this. We don't need this. Or if you don't want the call connect, if it's too much, because if they're barbering and stuff, you can just follow up with them later on. Okay, so that's basically this automation. It's pretty sick. So then you want to publish and save it. And then you can combine this with this snapshot, barbering snapshot you get with my affiliate link. First thing in the description, get 30-day free trial with Highlevel instead of the 14 and all these benefits here. So be sure to sign up there. If you have any problems, put in the comments and message me. And then you can charge barbers 200, 250 a month for this service. If you want my mentorship one-on-one, I'll hold your hand and we'll do it together. We can go get that client together. We can learn the software together. And if you don't want that, you can still benefit from me. You can check out my playlist where I go from 1 to 11, teaching high level from the beginning all the way to the top. Okay, so that's when you can create a calendar and full backend system for a barber. Please like the video. If you've got any questions, put in the comments. And yeah, that's it.